Okay, let's next use the switch to actually control something. It may not surprise you, since that lamp has been hanging around this whole time, that we're going to use the switch to control the lamp. But first we have to fix the lamp to go on and off. So let's select the lamp. Let's open up the structure and choose the shade. Now, the shade has something called a texture that's a little bit difficult to control. So first thing, let's just get rid of the texture, and now we're free to set the color. So let's set the color to, let's choose a green lamp. And now we have to set it up so that we can turn it on and off. Now let's go to the top of the structure where we can create a method. You may notice that we don't have the option to create methods further down the structure. Let's create a method. Let's just call this on. And all we want to do is set the color of the lamp to bright green. That is the one we've already chosen. And now let's create another method. Just call that off. And we'll just now set the lamp to some darker color. I'm going to scroll down here off screen to choose the other option. And what's a good off color? How about this? Yeah, that should work. Okay, so now we have the lamp going on and off. And let's set its initial state to off. Once again, I'll go down here, and I don't know if I'm choosing the same color. It doesn't matter that much. So the lamp will start off as off. Now we need one more method, believe it or not, and we're going to call this method set, because we'll use it to set the lamp on or off. And we're going to add a parameter for this, a Boolean parameter, which will be either true or false. If we pass false to set, the lamp should turn off, and if we pass true to set, the lamp should turn on. So let's create that parameter. Let's call it the state of the lamp being on or off. And let's add some code to implement it. We need an if block, and the if will just test the state of the lamp. And this is very simple now. If the state is true or on, we want the lamp to turn on. And if it's false, we want the lamp to turn off. Now, so far, we have no means of turning the lamp on and off. Right now, our world responds to, well, actually 3 events. This event is simply when the world starts up, and it runs my first method, except we haven't put anything in there, so that doesn't do anything. We have 2 events, which represent clicking the green button or the red button. There's another kind of event that Alice can monitor, and that's when a variable changes its value. So let's create that event when a variable changes. And what variable do we want to monitor? How about the state of the switch, whether the switch is on or off? So whenever the switch changes from off to on, or the other way around, something should happen. Now let's make a little more room here. So what should happen when the switch changes state? How about we call the set function on the lamp? And we're off the recording area again, but can I fix this? Well, you'll find it when you do it. Let me just choose the set function, and under expressions we'll choose 2 button switch is on. So when this variable changes, when the switch changes state, it calls the lamp set function and passes it the state of the switch. So if the switch has turned on, the lamp should go on, and if the switch is turned off, the lamp should go off. So let's see if this works. Let's run the program. Let's click the button, and the lamp turns on, and click the off button, and the lamp turns off. So for your exercise this week, you can either duplicate what I did here. I'll be mean enough not to send you the code, although you could obviously copy it from the video. Or you can create this control and use it to make something else happen. Or you can choose a completely different control and use that to do something. So this has been a lot to absorb. Good luck with it, and contact me if you have any questions.